How to get new app users on Temu. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and open Temu application on your device first. You will see the option for you on the bottom of your screen. Click on that and now click on the Earn Credits and Free Gifts option. You will see the option for Redeem Cash. Tap on that and now tap on Start. Tap on Refer One Friend option and share the Temu application with your friends on Messenger, WhatsApp, Snapchat, anywhere you want. You can also copy the link and paste it on any social media platform and share it with your friends. Once shared, if you scroll down, you can see the procedure for how to redeem cash on Temu so that you can get new users by tapping on the Refer One Friend yellow button. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.